Hi guys, my name is Samaya Clark-Gabriel. I'm 8 years old and I'm going to be opening up Shopkins. And I really love Shopkins, so let's get started. Put all the Shopkins here, so when you're done you can have all the Shopkins in the shelves so you could keep them in place. So here's some of the Shopkins that you could put inside of that Shopkins case. So we can put this cake. Wait, we can open it like this. Let's take it. We have to go over. This is how you open it, like this. Wait, like this. Oh, so open it like this. And it came with these so it could be in place. And it's like little slide boards. You slide them in. And then slide this one in, like this. And we can slide them. And then here's some more Shopkins right here. Let's slide that back in. Here's some more Shopkins. So here's the cake Shopkins. We're going to put it on the first shelf. Right exactly right here, and it's like a hole at the bottom so they could go there. So here's our first Shopkin birthday cake, and then we're going to get the rest of the Shopkins right here. This is like an ice cream Shopkin. Let's put you right next to the cake. Oh, this one. We're just gonna put you right here. You could go at the bottom, right there. And then you take it out and then you just place it. Because some of them have holes at the bottom for you to go there. And some of them don't, so you can put it down there. And then you just gotta keep going in the line. I love this Shopkin. It's the high heel one. And I love the high heel Shopkins. This one has a hole, so you place it right there. And this looks like a cupcake holder, like that or something. And then you'll put it right exactly there. And then you could, the whole Shopkins. Here is another Shopkins World. This is a Shopkins World Vacation. So let's open this up. Whoa, this is so cool. And guess what? It came with a few Shopkins in here too. So let's see what's in the packet. First, let's do these. First, we got an Shopkin t-shirt. You can put that right here. Oh, it fits you shelf. You don't want you breaking down. Let's put you guys right back on the shelf. In that shelf. So you could be okay and don't get lost. And this shelf helps so your Shopkins won't be lost. And it works a lot. So let's open it up. Let's poke these out. If it has a hole, you could go right exactly there. Now we have to start a new row. Let's poke you out. Let's poke you out. 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 And poke you out. So we got the skate. I hope Skatey wants to skate there. So this is the first, how the first shelf. Oh God. There you go. I was just looking for the hose so I could place it there. Okay, then I'll just leave that right there for now, and let's start on the shelf. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna take the next one, put it right there. We're gonna take the next one. Oh, this can't go there. It doesn't have a hole at the bottom. We're gonna take, ooh, this looks like a key. Oh, it's a camera. A cute little camera. Oh, this can't go. It's a small little hole. We have two kind of donuts, and they both could go right next to each other since they're both donuts. They look like donuts to me. This is a little basket or a kind of pocketbook. And this looks like a bowling alley. You go down here. So now let me open up my tool package. Let's open you up. So first we got, I don't know who this is. I just put this. I'm gonna guess. I think it's and I can guess. Write on the comments if you know what Shopkin that is. Write on the comments. This Shopkin right here. I think I know what this is. Is this like a cake? Oh. It was a suitcase. Okay. We're gonna put you right here. This is missed it. And you're gonna go right exactly there. So these are all the Shopkins. Oh, you have to go here. So these are these are all the Shopkins right here that I got. And I got these for my birthday. Today's my birthday, October 1st. So these are my Shopkins. All these cute little beautiful Shopkins. Bye, YouTubies. Follow me on Instagram, SAMAYACG. Bye, YouTubies.